Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for deep dive reviews and practical insights. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best Under Sink Organizer Expandable on the market. A truly versatile and space-saving gem from GEMWON. Let's jump right into it. This Under Sink Organizer is all about customization and adaptability. It's designed to transform that chaotic, underutilized space under your sink into a neatly organized, functional storage zone. Whether it's the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, or even your RV, this organizer adapts to your space and your needs. Here's what makes it stand out. At its core, you have an expandable length from 16.5 inches all the way to 30.7 inches. That's a big range. It means whether you're dealing with a tight under sink spot or a wider cabinet, this shelf system can adjust accordingly. The expandable metal rails are built with a damping and telescopic design, smooth and stable. And with a weight capacity of up to 30 kilograms or 66 pounds, you don't have to worry about it buckling under the pressure of heavy cleaning supplies or kitchen essentials. Now let's talk height. The height-adjustable metal frame offers 3 different levels for the second tier and 2 options for the first tier. That's thanks to the cleverly designed U-shaped and H-shaped metal tubes, with multiple screw-hole placements on each side. We all know under sink storage gets tricky because of those P-traps or U-pipes. That's where this organizer really shines. It comes with 8 removable ABS panels. These panels are slotted into the rails and can be easily taken out or rearranged to work around any awkward pipe layouts. Plus, they're made from thick, durable ABS plastic that resists scratching, staining, and water damage. And thanks to the hollow grid design, water just drains right through. In the box, you get all the essentials: 8 removable panels, 4 extension rails, the U and H support tubes, 12 locking screws, 2 screw caps, and 2 wrenches. It's an all-in-one kit, and assembly takes just minutes. No drilling, no cabinet damage, it's freestanding and stable. Functionally, the GEMWON organizer is a game-changer. It helps you make use of vertical space under the sink that normally goes wasted. Put your dish soaps, sprays, sponges, even pots and pans on it. Or use it in your bathroom for extra toiletries, towels, and cleaning products. The frame is heavy-duty alloy steel, the panels are built to last, and it holds strong even under daily use. If you're tired of cluttered cabinets or knocking over bottles just to grab one item in the back, this product is absolutely for you. It's especially great for renters or those who can't make permanent modifications in their home. It fits most standard cabinets, adapts to different layouts, and offers a level of customizability that very few under sink organizers provide. Overall, the GEMWON Under Sink Organizer is a smart, sturdy, and flexible solution to a very common household storage problem. With its adjustable height, expandable width, and pipe-friendly design, it's a practical upgrade that'll keep your cabinets organized and your stress levels down. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical reviews. And let us know in the comments, what product should we break down next? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.